हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो रिसेंटली मैंने जीसॉक के ऊपर कुछ 3 वीडियो बनाए थे एंड उसके ऊपर बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आए थे एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ रिप्लाइंग टू ईच ऑफ द कमेंट आई एम मेकिंग अ न्यू वीडियो एंड इन दिस वीडियो आई विल बी गोइंग थ्रू कमेंट्स एंड आंसरिंग दोस क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज ये क्वेश्चंस फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो आई थॉट कि एक वीडियो बनाना सही रहेगा। तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी रॉ अनकट वीडियो, सो लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड। So I'll go through comments one by one. I have my iPad here, so I'll read comment and what comment I feel is needed answering, I'll do that. Okay. So first question here. I am a second year student and I want to prepare for GSoC 2025. I have basic knowledge of ML and data analytics. Can you guide me from now how I can start? अभी दिसंबर है एंड अभी जीसॉक 2025 प्रोग्राम अनाउंस भी नहीं हुआ है, तो यू हैव टाइम। तो इन अ प्रीवियस वीडियो आई ऑलरेडी टॉक हाउ टू गेट स्टार्टेड, यू कैन वॉच दैट। आई विल क्विकली आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन हियर। तो तुम्हें क्या करना है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट गो एंड फाइंड अ कपल ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स, ऐसे 4 or 5 प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑफ जीसॉक which are related to ML. Use the filters in the website and you will find ML projects and choose the organizations that have frequently participated in past. Then go ahead and to their GitHub repository and try opening issue, see if there's an opportunity of contributing. Try contributing there, and that way figure out which project you can contribute. And I think that's it. There are some good organizations like ML for Sci and all. वो काफी basic करते हैं. तो आई थिंक दिस इज अ गुड थिंग ऑफ लर्निंग। सो डोंट थिंक कि मैं सेकेंड ईयर में हूँ, मुझे इस साल करना है। टेक इट एज अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस। इस बार नहीं भी होता है कोई बात नहीं, अगले साल नेक्स्ट ईयर भी हो जाएगा तुम्हारा, सो इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। बट मेन गोल इज तुम्हें सीखना चाहिए, लाइक learning opportunity for you. Take GSoC as a learning opportunity, not as a competition. So next, yeah, can you share journey roadmap of machine learning and resources, what you followed is possible? So I shared my journey already in the previous video. You can check that out. And roadmap of machine learning and resources. I think it's not possible to do that through a YouTube video. I'm thinking of starting a newsletter. उसमें बेसिकली अभी जीसॉक स्टार्ट होने में आई गेस मार्च अप्रैल मई से स्टार्ट होता है। तो व्हाट वील डू इज maybe weekly or bi-weekly, I will send resources related to whatever you guys ask. So I'll put an interest form down in the description below. So let me know what you guys think if this works for you. So next question is, what about working professionals? For this, I think you should check out the GSoC eligibility criteria page. I have been asked this question multiple times. I will put the link of the page in the description below. So it's called Summer of Code with google.com/rules. So I have that page open here. I don't know if you can see. I'll read that out aloud. तो एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया में मस्ट रिक्वायरमेंट्स होनी चाहिए कि तुम्हें एटलीस्ट 18 साल का होना चाहिए। एंड उसके बाद द अदर वन इज फॉर द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ प्रोग्राम बी एलिजिबल टू वर्क इन द कंट्री इन विच दे रिसाइड। ऑब्वियसली तुम्हें उसी प्रोग्राम में उसी टाइम पे कंट्रीब्यूटर होने के लिए दूसरे org में मेंटर या फिर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन नहीं हो सकते तुम, है ना। And they say that be a student or a beginner to open source software development, but I mean, I have seen people who have done GSoC twice, already participating third time, so that's not an issue. And yeah, तुम प्रोफेशनल हो सकते हो, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। पहले ये रूल था कि तुम यू हैव टू बी अ स्टूडेंट फॉर श्योर, बट नाउ उन लोगों ने थोड़ा सा रिलीव कर दिया है स्ट्रिक्टनेस, एंड नाउ एनीवन कैन पार्टिसिपेट, इवन द वन हु आर वर्किंग इन अ जॉब। And there are some rules for eligibility as well. जाके इसको देख लेना, link I will drop in the description. Next question is, by does college matter? It doesn't matter. So even if you are from an MIT or IIT, or it doesn't matter, they are going to select you, not the college, right? So all they are looking for is like, can you contribute the program successfully? मैंने पिछले वीडियोस में भी बोला है ये बात कि you have to contribute early so that the entire process is key for the mentors of the organizations to know that you are good enough to contribute and you can complete the program. So वही बात है, कॉलेज का मैटर करता ही नहीं है, तो इश्यू है ही नहीं उसमें। दौड़ नहीं है कोई ये जी सब। नेक्स्ट country, you have to check out which country is eligible. There's a rule there that it should not be blocked by US. Uh, Check out the rules page. Next, is it good to start contributing for GSoC 2025 from now? Yeah, you can. Definitely, you should start now. GSoC 2025 प्रोग्राम अभी अनाउंस भी नहीं हुआ है. GSoC का प्रोग्राम अभी जनवरी के थर्ड वीक में मोस्टली लॉन्च होता है. तो दिसंबर खत्म होने को आ रहा है, नया साल आ रहा है. तो दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम टू स्टार्ट कंट्रीब्यूटिंग. फाइंड सम प्रोजेक्ट्स on GitHub and GSoC website and start contributing now. It's a good time to start. Know that there will be crowd because early mover advantage should have been when I posted the first video, September, October. But anyway, it's not too late. So all the best. Next is, bhaiya, I don't know web dev. I know only C++ plus plus and see how can I contribute and get selected. Can you make a video on how to start and first contribution? I think I already covered this quite a bit. Doesn't matter if you know C++ plus plus or C, it's just a programming language. All you need to know is programming. So C++ plus plus से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. There are some projects which also are in C++. plus plus. You can check those out. And otherwise, learning languages like Python and JavaScript are very easy given that you already know C++, है ना? So issue होना नहीं चाहिए. तो this should not be an excuse. You should be looking forward to learning it rather than treating as a competition. It's not JE. What's the last date to apply? For 2025 program, they will release the calendar, so check that out. Oh, can you help me out? What organization that we choose in next year? Dude, I cannot help you guys personally. It's hard for me to reply to everyone, and it's not possible for me to guide you. Personally, I don't do that because I don't have time for that. However, like I said earlier in the video, maybe bi-weekly or weekly, I can start a newsletter that I can answer your questions like that, or like how to set an organization. You guys keep on posting comments, so I can answer the questions like that. I think that's the only thing I can do. Yeah, one more question is, this is a really helpful video, but you didn't mention the prerequisites like कौन सी language आनी चाहिए or what's the skill level. This question is very subjective. It relates to the project you are contributing to. अगर कोई C++ का प्रोजेक्ट होगा, let's say boost libraries, तो उसके लिए C++ आनी चाहिए. तो check that in the project section. It's a very generic question. Whatever project you are contributing to, उसकी हिसाब से अलग requirements होंगे. It's not possible to cover that in videos or even in comments. What should be a prerequisite skill level to be able to start contributing? I'm in first year and I don't know shit. Start learning shit. Programming at least आनी चाहिए. Fundamentals and I mean at least intermediate level की knowledge होनी चाहिए programming की. कोई भी एक programming language चाहे C++ हो या Java हो या Python या JavaScript जो भी हो. I think you should be good from that. Software engineering is mostly 80% about communication and 20% about actual coding. So you should not be thinking about this at all. So see, GSoC is a process of contributing to open source and learning as well. I keep saying that again and again. So treat it as a don't see GSoC as a destination. See it as a process that will make you better. Next question is the registration closed. Can I still participate? No, you cannot participate in 2024. It's already done. GSoC 2025 will start soon. Like I said, January में इसका program announcement आएगा. तो check that. Look out for it. Maybe follow official GSoC pages. They generally make a tweet and LinkedIn post की GSoC program announce हो गया है. Bro, can you help me out? What organization that chosen next year? Tech stack is JavaScript, TypeScript. I already showed in the previous video how to select an organization. It's very personalized question. It's hard for me to answer it. Based on what you know, figure that out. It's selecting organization is very crucial. Totally depends on what you already know and what you want to do. Step by step, GSoC पे कैसे contribute करें, registration से best company. I already made a video on this. Check that out. Uh, 3 videos I have already made. I mean, check previous videos before asking questions like this. I mean, I already put my so much effort to even make videos like this. So when you guys don't even see the previous videos and ask questions, it slightly hurts. Next is, hey, I am in first sem right now, BCA. Can you guide me some necessary tech skill concept that I been need to build on apply GSoC? Same thing. I think just pick up a good programming language. Maybe Python is a very good one to start with. And once you think that you are at intermediate level, maybe start building stuff out of it and start contributing to projects like I said uh, in the previous video. I basically showed how to make a contribution. So follow that process and build stuff. And I think when you think that you're good enough, you are eligible to apply for GSOC. You work with mentors, and this is an entire framework. Work with mentors. What kind of issues you have to contribute? All of it I explained. So in the previous video. So I mean, yeah, just follow that. I think you should be good to go. Next question is, I am looking for organizations in AIML domain, but most are research-based organizations like Red Hat Labs. So what do you think about how difficult it is to go for these organizations rather than for some top organizations like TensorFlow, OpenCV? Considering this is my first time, very good question. So even I did my GSoC from TensorFlow, and even I had this doubt that it's hard to get into these top organizations and other are like research now. So see, first of all, figure out what do you like. I don't like research. I like building products, and so I was sure that I have to go for this, OpenCV and TensorFlow stuff. So I think to get selected, there are only two things you need to do. Talk to mentors a lot so that they notice you, they know you, and show them by your work that you are good enough to contribute. These two things, I mean, they guarantee you success. So, I mean, I explained in detail in the previous video. So, I think your doubt is valid. Uh, don't think about how difficult it is. Don't compete with others. Compete with yourself. Build your way up to that point. What if you fail in the first time? No problem. You can try second, third. For me, I had like 4 years of BTech and I completed my GSoC in fourth year. Like first 2 years I was not eligible to apply. Third year I failed, and fourth year I was like, hey, I had to make it because this is my last chance. So that's how it is. Don't be afraid of failing. Just keep trying. All the best. Preparing and trying to crack for GSOC 25 for experience of open source. I have contributed 5 codes in Hacktoberfest. Neither they closed nor accepted. I guess there's some lacking in my preparation or knowledge how to deal with this, and how can I take advice from you, and is there any way? Yeah. So I think yeah, it's a good start. Hacktoberfest is a very good start to get into open source. Trust me, it's hard. Contributing to open source is hard. Finding a good project is hard. Figuring out stuff is hard. Given that you guys are in college and you guys are trying to go out of your way to do stuff, right? So I really appreciate all the progress you guys keep posting in the comments. Hats off to that. And keep trying. Hacktoberfest में नहीं हुआ कोई बात नहीं. Hacktoberfest के बाहर कर लो, contribute करो, जो तुम्हें समझ में आ रहा है वो करो. The goal is to build a knowledge, build understanding, है ना? And बाकी प्रोग्राम वगैरह तो सब टैग है. In the end, in the end, your knowledge will take you that far, है ना? And again, if you put enough efforts, if you follow the method that I talked about in previous video, this GSoC tag will follow you. Trust me on this. I have tested it thoroughly, and the framework, it's solid. So start contributing early, put efforts. You have to put efforts. Otherwise, I cannot help you clear GSoC. It's your battle, it's your journey. I can only guide you so much. Can you please make a roadmap to guide from beginner level to advanced level, follow up resources, and roadmap to learn ML? This kind of thing, I think it's better suited in text format. So if you follow me on Twitter, you can find a link in the bio of my YouTube channel. I already keep posting about that kind of stuff. So follow me on Twitter. So and also if you guys are interested, like I said in the earlier in the video, I can start a newsletter bi-weekly or weekly to help students like you figure stuff out. And I think that might be helpful. So recording video takes a lot of time. These kind of things are better suited in text format. I mean, it's the value is delivered fast to you, and I mean, the process of making video is very hard. I cannot make videos so often because first of all, it take a day. I mean, 4 or 5 hours of my time to record a video, and then editing takes a lot of time. I mean, at least a day. I don't hire a video editor. I don't have anyone to edit my videos. I do everything myself, and I have a job to handle, and I have my other commitments. It's hard for me to make the videos. So I think that's why I'm trying to help you through this newsletter kind of thing, I'm thinking. Let me know. I mean, I'll probably post a form in the description. So maybe put your interest if you are, I mean, kind of in. So yeah, I think that's all. And thank you to very much for the support in my channel. I mean, it's pretty early, so you getting recognized by YouTube algorithm is like hard. It's all because of you guys. So you guys like and comment. I mean, I'm really grateful. Uh, Questions. Uh, I will probably make a couple of more videos like this. Put your questions in the description. Again, answering personalized question is hard because I don't know you. I don't know your resume. I don't know what your skills are. So I think the best person who knows you is you. And all you need to do is just follow the framework that I told you, and you'll figure your way out. Even I figured my way out. I don't have anyone to, I mean, guide me. I mean, I'm making these videos for you so that you don't have to go through same thing that I went through. So it's all right in front of you. I think yeah, that's it. Cool. See you guys in the next video. Keep पढ़ते रहो अच्छा करते रहो. Bye.